my cash. If you ain't got my cash, then I'ma beat your ass. For real.
Yeah, excuse me if I get a little cynical, but what's wrong with the way I talk is just lyrical. And in this rap game, you got to be physical. So I doing you, it's my motherfucking principle. Got more money than me, yeah, that's a miracle. I'm sitting high and you a step to my pedestal. Load a couple shells, but not in a gun. Cause my mind like a Mossberg, feel the funk. Slow, loud and banging all in my trunk. Two poppers in the backseat, we finna fuck. And I swear it's going down, cause hit feels like heaven. But if they niggas come around, it's straight 187. Yeah, 187, that's keyword for murder. All I blow is 420, that's keyword for herbal. Call me Mr. Got Money like I'm Lil Wayne. I'm in love with a stripper, call me T-Pain, yeah. I'm Tupac plus and Biggie, I'm unreachable. My name is worldwide, still gotta rep my city though. Lots of bad bitches, what I need two titties for? I'm riding clean, dripping candy on the fucking floor. Ho, now Saudi wanna funk, cause he heard the hammer big and brown like a UPS truck. Should I let her feel the funk? Fuck it, put it in the butt. Now she feel it in the gut, I got that pussy looking stuck, yeah. I'm a love machine, last of a dying breed, what they calling me. What I gotta say to that, man, no response. Cause I just killed this fucking track, I'm showing no remorse. Put that pussy in the hearse and throw a nigga in the ditch. Cause it's real easy to act cool, but now you acting like a bitch. Flow, authentic, never switch, huh? I'm coming back from the motherfucking caper. I tell a hoe I don't wanna rape her, I just want a little paper. My mind on fading, I ain't talking about my taper. I'm feeling like the shit, so nigga get your stank up. Now I'm feeling Gucci, tell a bitch we finna break up. Where my cash trick? Where my cash trick? Where my cash trick? Where my cash trick?
Weigh my cash, motherfucker, weigh my cash. Weigh my cash, motherfucker, weigh my cash. Weigh my cash, motherfucker, weigh my cash. If you ain't got my cash, then I'ma beat your ass. Weigh my cash, motherfucker, weigh my cash. Weigh my cash, motherfucker, weigh my cash. Weigh my cash, motherfucker, weigh my cash. If you ain't got my cash, then I'ma beat your ass. For real.
On the real. Weigh my cash, my nigga. If you ain't got my cash, I'ma beat your ass, my nigga. I heard you rap. Your shit is trash, my nigga. Like them Orlando fools, you gon' get gay bashed, my nigga. I'm in the studio with AB. Hoes walk around saying they gon' have my baby. Is you crazy? Street forward Patrick Swayze. I do a 360, now a 380. What that mean? That mean I'm stacking my cash, I'm getting real cake. Tryna get money like Donald Trump and Bill Gates and Marvo and my nigga fucking T. Lee. I'm from that BG, a nigga been on that TV. Single on the radio, I stay on my grind. You get to talking trash fast, I get to spray in my nine. I get headshots from hoes, I get hoes laying and dying. Freestyle bullet, scrooge to Texas, bitch that's H-Time. A real nigga, fuck heel figures. Rest in peace to Pimp C, retaliate with trill niggas. On the real nigga, fuck a record deal nigga. Fuck around with a trio nigga and get killed nigga. With a 9 milli, plus I rhyme silly. I got dimes in H-Towns and I got dimes in Philly. Philadelphia, shoot shots get the melting ya. You say you work out, my abs a little healthier. I could go for 20 bars, fucking 30 bars. Run up, hit you, you can see it 30 stars. I pull up in 30 cars in the Benz, nigga. You don't know me, you ain't my friend, nigga. I said trends, nigga. Roll call king, get down to business with no stalling. On the real hoe, I spit real flows. Y'all hoe ass niggas playing with dildos. I said trends, nigga. Roll call king, get down to business with no stalling. On the real hoe, I spit real flows. Y'all hoe ass niggas playing with dildos.
Weigh my cash, motherfucker, weigh my cash. Weigh my cash, motherfucker, weigh my cash. Weigh my cash, motherfucker, weigh my cash. If you ain't got my cash, then I'ma beat your ass. Weigh my cash, motherfucker, weigh my cash. Weigh my cash, motherfucker, weigh my cash. Weigh my cash, motherfucker, weigh my cash. If you ain't got my cash, then I'ma beat your ass. For real.